Hi everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, I will show you how to master named ranges in Microsoft Excel, an incredibly useful feature that can simplify your formulas, improve your spreadsheet navigation, and make your data more readable and reusable. A named range is simply a custom name you assign to a cell or range of cells in Excel. Instead of using cell references like B2 to B6 every time, you can give that range a name like SalesData, making your formulas easier to read and understand. Consider the sample data. Select the range B2 to B6 which contains the sales numbers. Go to the Formulas tab and click on Define Name. In the New Name dialog box, type SalesData as the name. Click OK. Now your range is named. Instead of using equals to sum B2 to B6, you can simply type as equals to sum, open the parenthesis, SalesData, close the parenthesis, and press enter. You will get the same result. To manage your named ranges, go to Formulas, Name Manager. Here, you can edit, delete, or add new names. Let me show you some of the use cases for named ranges. Named ranges are helpful when you're building large spreadsheets. You want a cleaner, more descriptive formulas. You're working with multiple sheets and ranges. You want to use them in data validation or dropdowns. Want to create multiple named ranges instantly? Select columns A1 to G6. Then go to Formulas, click on Create from Selection. Check left column top row and click OK. Now Excel will automatically name each sales value with the region names for rows and with month names for columns. One more example, define prices for L2 to L6 and try using it in formula like equals to average, open the parenthesis, type prices, close the parenthesis and press enter. And that's it. You have just mastered named ranges in Excel. It's a small step that makes big difference in how you use Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to dptutorials for more Excel tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how you are planning to use named ranges in your sheets. Thank you. Thanks for watching.